In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert a view-only Google Slides file to a PDF on Google Drive. By the end of this video, you'll have a clean PDF copy of the presentation saved to your computer using the print to PDF method when printing is allowed, or the built-in download option if you have edit access. First, open the slides file. From Google Drive, click the presentation to open it in your browser. Wait for the slides to fully load so the preview and toolbar are visible. Press Ctrl+P to open the print window. You'll see a print preview of the slides appear. This doesn't change the original file and doesn't notify the owner. It only opens the system print dialog for your view. Choose Save as PDF. In the print dialog, look for the destination or printer selector. Click it, then select Save as PDF. So you should see the preview update with the current layout. If the option is already selected, you're ready to move on. Confirm that the pages look correct in the preview so you're exporting exactly what you see. This step ensures the output will be a standard PDF. Click Save. Your system will prompt you to choose a location and a file name. Pick a folder you can find easily, name the file clearly, and confirm. The PDF will be created using the current print preview settings. Once the save completes, you can open the file from your chosen folder to verify the export. That completes the method that works with view-only files when printing is allowed. If you have edit access to the presentation, there is also a direct download option built into Google Slides. Click File in the top left corner of the Slides window, then move to Download. And a small menu will appear next to it. Select PDF document.pdf. The download will begin right away, and your browser will save the PDF to your default downloads folder unless you've set a prompt. When it finishes, open the PDF from your downloads to confirm the export looks as expected. This method uses Google's own export engine and is available only when you can edit the file. At this point, you've seen both supported ways to convert a Google Slides presentation to a PDF on Google Drive. The first method, using Ctrl+P and Save as PDF, works for view-only files when printing is allowed. The second method, using File, Download, then PDF document, is available when you have edit access. In both cases, the original Google Slides file remains unchanged, and you end up with a portable PDF copy you can view or share as needed. Now your conversion is now complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.